beautiful people. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs back on the screen, and today is my birthday. I showered and put on something real quick to run out here to get my nails done because they need them. Yes, I need to feel damn bad. But anyway, I'll see y'all a little bit later. People waiting on kept waiting to get their nails done. It's like 3 people waiting. All right, let me go. I'll see y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, I am back. I just got my nails done. I got Funny Bunny on my hands and toes. Yep, so now I'm off to oh, my nose is dented from that mask. So now I'm off to my mom's house real quick. Woo! Let me call my mom real quick. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, I'm back. I've been looking for a tree and I finally found one. This is it. It's cute though. Stand it up so you can see it. I was supposed to be in Home Goods. I was going to the car wash. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I just stopped at Target. I had to pick up some items from there, and now I'm on my way to my mama's house, my parents' house. My mom wanted some food, so I'm gonna stop at her restaurant and bring her some food to the house. Yeah. So yeah, let me get off of here. I ain't talking about much. I found my popsicles. Finally, they have them, and it's not sugar-free. I hate sugar-free popsicles. So I'm gonna have to hurry up because I don't want them to melt. So I'm gonna enjoy this breeze on this beautiful day. Today is my birthday. Yes. I ran, you know, while everybody, my husband was woke, so I just ran out the house and got my nails and feet done real quick. So once I leave mama's house, I'm headed home. Yes. So I finally found my plant, y'all. I'm super excited about it because I actually been looking for it. In the other vlog, I showed y'all 2 plants. I wasn't really like feeling it. It was cute, but one was cute. It had the white base. I love the white base. This one doesn't. It has that natural look to it. So I figured I probably can find like a vase or something I could put, you know, in it. We'll see. I gotta see. Maybe I can go to either Michael's or somewhere and find like a white, like pretty shiny acrylic vase to because I don't know about that natural look, but I like this style of plant better than the other 2 that I showed y'all in my last vlog. So I actually wanted to run out to Nordstrom's to take back that Aqua di Palmar. I realized, you know, after using the samples for, I used it for like, let me roll up this window. I used the samples for about a week and a half, and I realized it doesn't go with my body chemistry and I can't force it. You know, I'm wearing what is it called? Bow d'Afrique today by Rado, which I love. I like that, so yeah, that's gonna be my baby. But I need to find another fragrance. Somebody sent me some perfume called Nectar something. I'm trying to think of the what it is. I'm gonna put it right here because I can't remember offhand. My brain is going like 90 miles per hour. You know, today is my day. So yeah, I can't remember what it was. but it's it smelled real good, and it's like a regular fragrance. It's not like one of them top fragrances, but I like that. I actually wore that to bed, so I'm not gonna pick it up or anything because I got the little bottle, and I'm gonna see if I like it. It takes me about a week to, you know, make sure I like the fragrance or not. It takes me about a week to it. So, you know, I'm kind of funny when it comes to fragrances. I'm like really indecisive at times when it comes to certain things. Like if I order something, I will stalk whatever I ordered until I get it, or if I want something, I have to stalk the website and make sure and read the reviews and everything, and that just like blows me. And I guess that's just my makeup. I'm an October baby, but so I am going to smell that fragrance for about a week, see if I really like it, because that's how long it's gonna take me to figure out if I like it or not. And but in the meantime, between time, I'm still gonna find another fragrance because I wanted another fragrance for my collection. And you don't get it. I don't get enough fragrances. I don't have a lot of fragrances I gave away to my ex-sister-in-law. Yes, I gave a lot of fragrances to her. I didn't want them. I can't, most of them I just, and I don't even regret it. I just, you know, I just give from the heart. And yeah, what else I was gonna tell y'all? So yeah, I gave a lot of fragrances away to her and other people in the family. Gave my mom some fragrances, and my aunt. So I just want the fragrances that I know that I love. I don't want to just be collecting, because you know, back in the day I used to get fragrances just because it was the in fragrance, knowing damn well some of that stuff didn't even go with me. It used to give me headaches and everything. So this time around, y'all, you know, I'm going to get what I want, and that's it. So let me get off of here. I'm rambling. I hope y'all don't mind, but I just want to bring y'all a little vlog. So yeah, let me go. Oh, this is pretty. It's a Sony. Okay. And it comes with the battery, a little noise reduction piece, I don't know, and your cord. Okay. I'm gonna have to read about it on it. I don't know too much about it, but that it's supposedly a good camera. Thank you, husband. This is my lunch, y'all. Y'all, this is my lunch. My husband filmed that dead plant. So, you know, I don't know what's up with that plant. It died on me, y'all. I got it from, where did I get it from? IKEA. It died on me. It was so pretty. So I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna get one from Home Depot. See, that's why I buy artificial plants, because your girl, I can only take care of plants that, what kind of plant is that hanging up in the kitchen? I can't remember. But that's the only plant that I really can take care of. All the other plants are artificial. So I plan to put the plant that I purchased upstairs in the room. But this is my lunch for now, until later. But yeah, this is oxtails and jerk chicken, macaroni, sweet potatoes over here, and I love their rice. Their red beans and rice is awesome. Then they give you this little sauce, which is pretty good, I heard. I haven't tried it yet. And that's my cake. That's my favorite cake, y'all. This strawberry cake. Favorite, hands down. So I am super excited. I am going to eat my food really quick. And we need to go to Best Buy so I can get my card and a stick to go with this camera. Y'all, I got a new camera. Who want to buy my old camera? Let me know. Let me know down in the description section. I gotta see how much it's costing. Yeah, whoever want to buy my Canon G7X, and I might sell the Sony A5100, but we shall see. I might, cause I can't use all them cameras. Okay, let me know down in the comment section who want to buy it. See y'all, love y'all. And this is not the healthiest drink. You need to drink you some water, buddy. But I wanted to try this one. Okay, I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Y'all, that food is so good. That food was so good. I hurt myself. Now I'm about to eat some of this cake. If I got room. I want to get two stuff. We need to go to Best Buy so that we can get. He didn't get the bundle. So yeah, I want the little stick thingy. I don't even know what it all come with, but I just know that I wanted that camera. And I seen maybe like 2 people that filmed with the camera and it looked really good. So I was sold. Yeah, let me go eat this cake, y'all. I am so excited. Today is just chill. I'm chill, although I'm not in Miami. I am so blessed just to see another day because people are leaving here, y'all. And I'm so thankful that I even woke up this morning to have another opportunity to take advantage of another day. I am so grateful. You know, people ask me, what are you going to do? Girl, just waking up is just the best gift that anybody can ever give me, which is from my Heavenly Father. So I am so super excited. There's nothing like tangible that I need. I'm just so grateful, you know. I'm grateful. I'm truly grateful for life. My parents, I had to stop over there and they gave me cards. My coworkers gave me cards. It's just, I'm truly blessed, and I just say thank you. I thank you for all the happy birthday well wishes. Y'all are the best. Yeah, that plant right there. Now I could take care of a plant like that, but I don't know what happened to this. I don't even know what kind of plant it was. It was like a palm tree type of, I can't remember the name. I did know the name, but I can't remember it now. But this tree, then, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is, we need to go to Home Depot too. I wanna see if they got another one. I think I seen one in Walmart, but it was kind of big. I don't want it too big. I think I overwatered it, and you're not supposed to overwater it. So that's that. But I got my camera. I hope it is all that it's cracked up to be. It feels so nice and smooth. So let me get off of here, eat a piece of cake, and tell this man I want to go to Best Buy. I gotta see what the stick does. Let me do some research because I'm just doing too much. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay guys, I am at Nordstrom's and I'm trying out the Bitter Peach by Tom Ford. Let me know if you guys tried it. I'm here trying it out. It smells pretty good. It smells like a ripe peach though. So let me know. I'll see you later. Bye. Thank you. So we are here, and I'm just waiting. Whew.
Miso soup.
I need my soy sauce. I need a drop of soy. Then you need you don't need no more soy, man. That ain't what it is.
It's tasty.
So you got a big ticket while you're eating it? And how tasty is it?
It's tasty. It's flavorful.
It is. It smoke.
I know Corey trying to take my stuff. This is the best broth I ever had.
It's the best water, flavor water.
Y'all think I look like my mom? Go ahead, do it for me, Corey.
No, man, I'm not your seal.
One time for the one time.
I'm not your pet.
Girl, if you get him to do it, I'm gonna write this down and I'm gonna replay it over and over again.
Come on, Corey.
That's not gonna happen, Brad. Happy birthday. You gotta put that shirt on I gave you.
To not be able to work out in these 6 weeks, I reflect. It's for me. It's a package deal. If I'm working out, I'm eating well because I don't want to waste my workout. But if I'm sitting around, but the good thing because you're able to eat it, you're able to work out. Right. So that doesn't matter. You can eat rice. People say, "Oh, you can't eat rice." Believe that. If you're burning, if you're working out, Brandy gives.
I'm just trying to get the info.
But if you're working out, you can eat carbs.
I agree.
Because you have to have it to burn, or you will get lightheaded.
Right.
You know, but if you're 12, I'm telling
And
you,
you need
you
it
go
for
down to
energy.
12, you can do it. It's easier said than done.
Hi sis, happy birthday. I hope you have like a blessed, to Brandy, have a blessed year. Live your best Libra dreams, girl, and keep letting your black girl magic sprinkle everywhere.
Thank you. Introduce yourself.
I'm Tori.
Hey, Tori.
I'm about to eat this sherbet. I don't need it though.
Look at her.
All right, y'all.